Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Lay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Haka autumn session jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly u MLE Maukarwat Bah Renikton Tongkhar ula ai jing shai shaka motion kabala pendan kam da ka VPP President Aden Miller besayomat haka jing pensa ba jing jia ka drok haka jila. Kabakali baga jila baro kawai kadai banya lingba ka jing jong ka shnong. Ula sngotu ru ka jing ya jong ka sarkar haki initiative kum ka dream mission but ki rehabilitation center but ula pen pauru ka jing kerman jong chief minister ban pha ka budget sha ka dobel ban pensa sha ka jing pensa ka drong henry ula kali baga jing kari ka bakraw. Ula kentu bagi smugglers ka drok kila don ha ka ju ka jila bat ka benta ka jila ka di banyat pat syakni ka jing Kari kapor ka babaro ka way ki pat ba ki jaka persya ki tunat hel bat ki pat ba ki badan ka benta ka sarkar banyat syakni ka jing Ula ai keliru balada don kam kilenti kala ban pen kala ban ai ka jingyat ka benta ka shnong bat Kibriu kibala banyat syapang kani ka jing pensa ka drong ban pen khut ya ka jing penne ka drong. U Bah Renikton ula pen pauru ka jing kerman syaki program awareness kibala ban pen mensau ka jing long thek jong ka drong. Hagapor kiba ki khun ki sngotu bagi smugglers kila don jing jia syakendo. Kala ban pelong bagi sngotu kam persya hanrei ka pelong ka jing thmai. Pidei ban penyat baga jinyat kadai ban kentiu sya ka jinglong snobha bar kam pelong attraction sya ka ni ka jing sngotu ka bakraw ulaong. Ula pen pauru ka jing ka jing yadai na ki benta ki shnong bar ki benta ka jing yaram joki kenthei bar ki khun. Kalong ka basngosi ban sngotu baki kenthei kila ban la ban sngotu baki khun kila snobha kila ban penyat ka jing pensa ha ka ni ka jing Kalong ka bakraw ha ki kena shnong jong ka jila ulaong. Haka jing penbon, Bah Renikton ula kali syaka jingyat ka babaro kawai, ka basngobha bar ka bakraw ban pensa syaka jing pensa ka drong, lada pi baro ki yat pan, kam don kam syu, pidei ban penyat syaki kun baki kenthei jing ka jila Meghalaya, ban pensyai ka ni ka jing ban pensyai ka jing syaki shnong ulaong.
To the awareness program that we had, when I have the opportunity to listen myself in the awareness program, instead of creating fear to the youngsters to involve into drugs, it is sometimes like encouraging and giving the awareness to them that they come to know about the goodness of involving into drug business. I am again sometimes to the speaker who spoke in front of the young people, like giving the awareness and telling the fact that how people become so rich overnight and become so rich in a very short time involving in this drugs business. Sir, I think this is the time that we have to educate even our people while giving awareness, that we should not talk about making rich by involving in drugs business. I think we also understand as a matured person, we have to take the responsibility. How do we speak to our young people in the programs that we are having? It worries me so many times when I listen to the speech of the person who give the lecture in the awareness program and telling in front of our young boys and girls that how people became so rich and a small quantity of drug, it's involved crores of rupees, and if you do this kind of business, you will be rich. Sir, I think this is very, very important. As legislators and all the officers in the department involving in this fight, we have to be very careful while talking to our young people. I am concerned to see that some family, they are desperate so much, and sad to hear that there are some parents, they don't have any more hope for their own children, and they tell to people that we will let him drink, let him inject till he die. They don't want to fight anymore. Desperately, they said we will give whatever he wants till he die. It's very sad to know that there are some parents who are facing such kind of problem to their own beloved children. Sir, my last submission on this very important fight that we all have to involve ourselves is that I know, even though the government, as I have told from before, that the government is trying its best to fight against drugs menace, against drugs supply, against drug addiction, but we know it is very, very difficult for the government alone. Therefore, I appeal to the community. It is a high time that we all as a community should involve in this fight. As a community. And I request the government, if it is required to amend the law, we should amend the law to enable, to empower the Dorba Shnong, to empower the headmen to involve themselves in this fight. We should all fight together. All the traditional bodies has to fight together, health department has to fight together, and even the Dorba Shnong has to have a place in it to fight together. Only then we can see hope that we will be one day a drug-free state, and we will give hope to the family, to our young people living in this beloved state of Meghalaya. Chairman sir, I truly believe that if we all fight together, it is not too late. If we all involved in this, seriously, honestly. Sad to hear that there are people at the higher place, at the high place, involved in this as alleged. Chairman sir, I think we should ensure ourselves, each one of us, that we should be free involving in this kind of business, and we should do all possible things to stop supply and to do not allow our young children, our young boys and girls, to fall under this drugs addiction. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you.
Hello Meghalaya turns one!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!